Hello friends, welcome to the 41st session of Hybris tutorial. In this session, we are going to learn new concepts into the back office customization. Guys, in this video, we are going to learn how to display two nodes of same item type, how to display two nodes of same item type but with the different status. Guys, if you remember, with the 1808 version, with Hybris 1808 version or before to this version, in the promotion rules, in this promotion rule, right here over here we used to had two navigation nodes. One was published and unpublished promotions, second was all promotions. So it means under this promotion rules we had two links. One was the published and unpublished promotions, second was all promotions. So, but after 1808 version, but after the 1808 to 1905 migration, these options are no longer there. So these options are no longer provided by the Hybris once Hybris migrated from 1808 version to higher version. But this requirement is frequently asked by the business because it is easier for the business, right? It is easier for the business to show only the published and unpublished promotions. Because if I click on this promotion rule link, right? If I click over here, you will see that we are seeing over here all type of promotion rules, right? We even see inactive promotions as well, we even see published promotions as well and unpublished promotions as well. We have already discussed these different status, published, unpublished and inactive, in our promotion engine video. In case you have not still watched our video on promotions and vouchers, you can watch our video. The link of video is given in the description box as well as on the top right corner in the card section. So there we have given the detailed description of each concept of promotion rules. But the thing is, if we just click over here on the promotion rules, we see all type of promotions, published, unpublished and inactive. But what is my requirement? I want to display two links over here or two navigation node IDs in this promotion rule section. So once I click on the first link with the name published and unpublished promotions only. So once I click on that link, I see only the published and unpublished promotions. I don't see this inactive type of promotion rules. So this is my requirement. So before starting, let's write the requirement. So requirement is we need to display two navigation nodes in the marketing section, right? So what we are going to do in this marketing section, I am going to display two links, like one is the published and unpublished, second is all promotion rules. I am going to display two links. So one is two navigation nodes in the market section with the names. First one is published and unpublished rules. Second is all rules, right? So once I say published and unpublished rules, it means we are not going to display the inactive rules, right? Inactive rules, right? So guys, we have already explained in our previous videos like how to display a navigation node IDs, right? How to display these navigation node IDs into the Explorer tree. We have already discussed in our previous video. In case you have not watched those videos, I have already given the link of those videos in the description box, or you can just click on the video link which I have given in the card section. So you just have to click over this link right over this card so that you can watch the video and can see how you can create these navigation nodes, right? But for now my requirement is in this marketing tab, right? I am going to create two more, right? Two more links or two more navigation nodes, right? Of the same item type, right? If you click over any promotion rule, so this is of type promotion source rule. So I am going to create two more navigation nodes in the marketing section of type promotion source rule, right? And those navigation node will have the names published and unpublished rules. Second will be the second link will have the name all rules. So I hope the requirement is clear to you. And guys, since this option was already there in the 1808 version or before to the 1808 version, right? And for the business, those create promotions, they used to frequently use this link published and unpublished rules to create the new promotions because they used to watch the already created promotions, right? So most of them, only the published and unpublished rules are relevant for them. Inactive rules are not that relevant for them. That is why this link was highly useful. So you will get the frequent requests from the business that these functionalities should be active again. So guys, this video is going to be very important and useful for you. So in this video, I am going to show you end to end how you can create two nodes of same item type but with the different status. In this node, we are going to show published and unpublished rules, but in this node, we are going to show all rules of type promotion source rule, right? So type is our promotion source rule. We will be using this type in this video. That is why this concept is very important, right? So I hope the requirement is clear to you. So for that, what we will do, the first step is we need to create a new extension. So how you will create a new extension? So for that, guys, you need to go into your platform folder of your suite. For example, I already have this suite. In case you don't have this suite, you can email me on amandeep in javahybris@gmail.com. I can provide you this suite and then you can download that suite in your local system. But for now, I already have this suite. So I'm going to Hybris, then I will go to the bin, then I will go to the platform. Right over here, guys, I will be typing the CMD in the URL, and then, guys, this command line window gets opened. Then I will be firing the command set ant environment.bat, right? After that, guys, what I will do, I will fire the command ant extgen. Why I need to fire the command ant extgen? Because I will be creating a new extension which is based on the template Y backoffice. In case you are already working in some project, you don't need to create a new extension. You don't need to create a new extension of type Y backoffice. You need to identify the already created custom extension which has been created using the template Y backoffice. But to show everything from the scratch, that is why I am going to show you from the end-to-end implementation. That is why I am creating a new extension from the very scratch. So what I am going to do, so over here I just have to select the Y backoffice template. That is why I am writing the Y backoffice template. So you can see I have written the Y backoffice template and then I am pressing the enter. Now it is asking me to give the name of the extension. So I will give the name Hybris tube item type customization. So this is the name I am writing to give the name of my extension. Then I'm pressing enter. Then it is asking me to give the package structure name. So as usual, we always give the name de.hybris.training. So now it is asking, do you want this to be registered as a SaaS extension? Yes, that is why I'm pressing enter. Do you want to create a sample widget? Yes, that's why I'm just pressing the enter. Do you want to create a sample style sheet? No, and I'm pressing the enter again. So after that, you can see that guys, after some time, this build will get successful and a new extension will get created, right? So a new extension with the name Hybris Tube item type custom will get created in our custom folders. So we can verify this extension. I will just go to bin, then I will go to the custom, and over here you can see on 1st of August, at 12:24, right, a new extension has been created, right? Now our next task is we need to add this newly created extension in our local extension.xml. So I have already copied the name of this extension. So now I am going into the my config folder. So this is my config folder. Here in the local extension.xml file, I will be giving the name of my new extension. So I'm just giving the name of my new extension. I will just paste like this. Then I will just copy the existing extension entry and then will replace with my extension name. So this is the way you have to give the entry of your extension in your local extension.xml file. So I hope this is clear to you. So after that, guys, what you have to do, you just have to import your newly created extension into your Eclipse. So what I am going to do, I'm just going to file, import, right, existing project in workspace. Then I will just select the path of custom folder. So this is the path. I'm just copying the path of this custom folder and I will import my extension. So you can see I have imported the extension. So this is the extension. This is already selected. So I'm just clicking on the finish button. So once I click on the finish button, you will see that our extension would have been imported. So let's verify whether the extension has been imported in our Eclipse or not. So you can see our extension has been imported, right? So I hope this is clear to you. Now what do we have to do? We just have to go to the resources folder. So this is my resources folder, and over here you can see guys, we do have very important files: Hybris to item type, custom backoffice config.xml, spring.xml, and widgets.xml. So these are very important files and we will be doing our changes in these files only. So what are those changes? So for that, firstly, as you already aware, we need to declare two navigation nodes, right? We in the marketing section, right? In the marketing section only, we need to declare two navigation nodes with the name published and unpublished rules. Second is all rules. These are the two links we need to create, right? So it means now I have to declare two navigation nodes in the marketing section. So for that, as you are already aware, we need to do the changes in our this backoffice config.xml. Here I will be declaring those two navigation nodes. And what are those changes? So guys, those changes will look like something like this. So you can see over here what I have done. I have declared two nodes, right? Two nodes, one with the name HMC published and unpublished promotion rules. Second is of type all promotion. These are the two links which we need to declare, right? In the marketing section, in the marketing node, right? I hope guys this is clear to you what we have done over here. Also, I am going to upload all these code files in the Google Drive and will share the link of Google Drive in the comment section of this video. So you can just download those code files and notes, right, and can directly integrate this functionality in your system as well, right? There in the notes, I will be explaining each component for all files as well. So this is the first change we have to do here. We have just declared the two links, right? Now the second is we need to do the changes in our spring.xml file. Also remember for these, these properties, all promotion rules only, published and unpublished rules. For this, we will be doing the changes in our property file as well so that we can give the reasonable name to these links, right? So the second change we need to do is in the backoffice widgets.xml file, right? Here what we will do, here we will be declaring this is the rule, right? This is the, type. For example, our type will be promotion source rule, and there we will be declaring these are the links, right? And so our links are these two links, right? And then we will be declaring a backend, right? Backend Java bean. There we will be filtering the, different status. So we will be giving the mapping of all those things in this widgets.xml file. So how our widgets.xml file will look like? So guys, this will look like something like this. So this is the file which it look like. So you can see over here we have done multiple type of things. So guys, I will be explaining all these concepts in the notes of this video, but I will just briefly explain you what we have done over here. Here we have done, we have shown that this is the rule and these are the, this is the link, right? Published and unpublished. And once the user clicks on this link, this is the bean which needs to be called in the backend. And in this bean only, guys, we will be writing the logic to display only the published and unpublished rules, not the inactive rules, right? So now we need to create this bean. So where we will be creating this bean? So this bean will be created in our backoffice src file. So over here, guys, we will be creating a new bean. So how our new bean will look like? So for that, guys, firstly, what we will do, we will create a new package in this backoffice src. So I'm going to create a new package and will give its name like this: de hybris training rule engine backoffice dot handlers, right? And in this only we will be creating our new handler file. And guys, how that handler file will look like? So this will look like something like this: source rule advanced search initializer.java. This is the file which I have created. Here, this file is extending the by default out of box file advanced search initializer file, and that is why it is overriding some add search data conditions, remove existing status condition, right? This is getting called from here. So these all are the methods which are written in this file, right? So I will be sharing you this file as well on the Google Drive. So you just have to download this file, and there in the notes I will be explaining all the concepts which we have given in this file, right? So I hope guys this is clear to you. We need to create these files, these three files. Now I have to declare this source rule advanced search initializer.java file as a Spring Bean. So how we will do? So for that guys, what we will do, we will declare this as a Spring Bean in our spring.xml file. So this is the spring.xml file, and in this spring.xml file, I will be declaring this bean, right? This as a bean source rule advanced search initializer as a bean, right? So how that mapping will look like? So this mapping will look like something like this. So you can see over here, I have declared this bean as a, this class as a Java class as a bean, right? So guys, I hope this is clear to you, right? Now we need to do one and only the last change. We need to do the label mapping of these two links, which we want to give the names of these links. So here we need to do these changes. So for that, guys, we need to do the changes in our labels en.property file. So over here, we will be doing our changes. So we need to add these properties, right? We need to add HMC published and unpublished promotion rule only key with the name this published and unpublished rules, because we decided to give these names published and unpublished rules. Second is the all rule, right? So for this HMC published unpublished promotion rule only, right? This one we are giving the name as published and unpublished rules, and for this we are going to give the name as all rules, right? So I hope this is clear to you. It means in the right, it means what we are going to do in the marketing section, we are going to create the two links, right? Two links with the name published and unpublished rules. Second one is the all rules. So this is the thing we are going to do. Now, guys, after doing all these changes, after doing the changes in these files, right, in these five files, and doing the entry in our local extension.xml, what we need to do, we need to do the and all. So, what I am going to do, I am firstly bringing my existing server as a down. So, I am bringing my existing server down by pressing the Control C, and then I'm just closing this window, right? Then what I am going to do, I am performing the and all, right? So I am performing the and all operations. So why I am building this project? Because we have done the changes in our initializer.java file. So Java files are there to create the corresponding class files. That is why we are firing the command and all, right? So once the build is successful, we will bring our server up. So let's wait for the end all command to get finished. So guys, you can see the build has been finished successfully. Now, what is our next task? We need to bring our server up. So to bring our server up, I am firing this command Hybris server bat debug. So I'm bringing my server up in the debug mode. In case you don't know how to bring your server up in the debug mode, what all configurations, in which all files you need to do the configurations. So for that guys, you can watch my video. The link of video is given in the description box as well as on the top right corner in the card section. So you can watch that video and bring your server up in the debug mode. But for now guys, I have already done all those configuration changes in my system, and I am trying to bring my server up in the debug mode. So this will take some time, so let's wait for the server to come up. So guys, now you can see the server has come up. So what we are going to do now, we are going to open the back office. So I am going to open the back office. You can see the back office. I have opened the URL of the back office and I am trying to log in with my credential. The username is admin and the password is nimda, NIMDA. So these are the credentials and I am trying to log in into the back office. This usually takes some time once you try to log in the back office once the server comes up. So let's wait for the back office to get opened. So guys, if you're opening the back office first time, right, first time it will always take some time to open once you open the back office first time after you bring your server up. So now I will go to the orchestra mode, and for that I have just pressed the F4 key. You also need to press the same F4 key, and once you press the F4 key you just need to go to the orchestra mode. So after going to this window, after going to this orchestra mode, you just have to click over here and then you just have to click on the reset everything. So once you click over a yes button, once you click over the yes button, you can see it has started processing in the backend. It has started, doing the reset configuration of the back office. So once it is done, guys, then we will test our functionality whether two new links have been appeared or not. So guys, you can see reset configuration activity has been finished and now the back office configurations has been reset. Now after that, what we will do once this loading is finished, we will go back to our main window and then we will verify whether all our new functionality is working correctly or not. So guys, now you can see loading has been finished. Now what we will do, we will just press the F4 key again. As you can see now I have pressed the F4 key, so I am going back to the main window. Now in the Explorer tree, in the marketing tab, so in the marketing, we will see that in the promotion rules, we do have two links, right? Published and unpublished rules and all rules. If I just open the all rules, you can see we do have 146 items and here we do have inactive promotion rules, published and unpublished, all type of rules, right? And you can see these are the server logs. You can see these are the server logs. But guys, if I go back to the published and unpublished rules, if I go over here, you can see we do have only 84 items. You can see we do have only 84 items and we do have only published and unpublished rules. We don't have inactive rules, right? So guys, I hope this is clear to you and I hope guys this functionality will be very useful for you. So guys, I will be sharing or uploading the code files as well for this functionality on the Google Drive, so you can download this functionality from the link given in the comment section. So I hope you like this video. Guys, if you like this video, do share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.